Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix your iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error on your iPhone. Well, it could be few reasons that this error is showing up. So the first thing that you can do is get your phone on the flight mode first of all. Scroll down to your control panel and then you can see the airplane like icon right here. Tap on it. And like this, your phone is now on the flight mode and you have to turn off your Bluetooth. Tap in here and then you can see the option of Bluetooth. Tap on it and then here you can see your Bluetooth is now disconnected and you have to now lock your phone. So simply just click on the power button and then you can lock your phone just like this and then unlock your phone. Click on the power button and then unlock it by typing down your passcode. And after unlocking your phone, now scroll down again to the control panel and then tap on the airplane mode again and then turn it off just like this. You can see now it is turned off and this might fix the issue. But the issue is again showing up, and if it does not work, the next thing that you can do is reset your iPhone network settings. And to do so, you have to go to your settings. And after going to your settings, tap on the general. And after going to your general, scroll all the way down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of reset. Tap on it. And then you will see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. And in here, you have to enter your iPhone passcode one more time. And entering your passcode, you can see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it and this will reset all of the network settings into defaults. And after doing so, your error might be fixed. So if it still does not fix, you might want to refresh your connection with iMessage and FaceTime. So to do so, go to your settings again. And in here, tap on your search bar and start typing iMessages. Here you can see after typing iMessage, you can see the first option. Tap on it. And this will take you to the settings of your iMessage. And in here, you can see the option of iMessage right here. It is currently turned on. Simply tap on it in order to turn it off. Just like this, it is now turned off. And now go back. And on the search bar, you can start typing FaceTime. So after typing FaceTime, here you can see the option. Tap on it. And this will take you to the settings of FaceTime, and in here you can see FaceTime is currently turned on. Tap on it in order to turn it off. You can see now FaceTime is now turned off, and then go back again. And now here you can see we're on the main settings. Now tap on the search bar and start typing iMessage again. You can see the option of iMessage again. Tap on it. And then again tap on the iMessage option that you previously turned off and turn it on. You can see now it is turned on again, and then go back and again search for FaceTime. Here you can see the option of FaceTime. Tap on it and then again you can see it is turned off. Simply tap on it in order to turn it on. And just like this, you can see FaceTime is now turned on. So after reconnecting with your iMessage and FaceTime, this could solve the error of waiting for activation. So if all of that does not work, the last thing that you can do is just simply sign out of your Apple ID and then again sign in. In order to sign out, you have to go to your settings and then tap on your name. And after tapping on your name here, you can see this is your Apple account settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of sign out. Simply tap on it and then sign out of your Apple account and then again sign in your Apple account. So these are some ways that can help you fix the activation error that you keep on seeing. And if it helps, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.